Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to fix or to solve any issues that you have on TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about the application of TikTok. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause errors or problems on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. If it's not working, you can go to your airplane mode. You can click here. If it's working, if it's turned on, then you can know how to fix that problem on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.